Hey everyone, we're always looking for that next big secret in beauty and wellness. Well, today, we're going to crack open a tradition that's been passed down for generations. We're diving into the art of making pure, 100% natural coconut oil.
Just think about that for a second. We spend so much time and money searching for that perfect product in a bottle. But what if the most powerful solution has been right there in front of us the whole time, hiding inside a simple coconut?
You see, in the Caribbean, this pure, homemade coconut oil is an absolute treasure. They call it island gold, and it's so much more than just a product. It's a genuine tradition, an all-natural fix for everything from seriously dry skin to hair that's lost its shine. And listen, when we say homemade, we really mean it. This has nothing to do with the refined coconut oil you grab at the supermarket. We're talking about a specific, traditional art form for creating something incredibly pure, right from scratch. So, how does this whole journey start? How do you get from a simple fruit on a tree to this treasure for your skin and hair? Well, it all kicks off with picking the absolute perfect source. The magic really is in that raw material. And here's the thing, not just any coconut is going to work. You have to use a mature, brown one. You can forget about those young green coconuts you drink juice from. The older, brown ones have that thick, dense, white flesh that is just packed with a much higher oil content. And, this is key, it's way richer in all those amazing nutrients that your skin and hair just love. Okay, so now we get to the really good part. This is where the true craft comes into play. We're going to walk through the traditional process step by step. And trust me, it's not just a recipe, it's this patient, careful, and honestly, super rewarding ritual.
So first, you have to de-husk it and crack it open. You know that really satisfying split that shows you the pure white meat inside? Then comes the grating, which creates these fine, super fragrant shavings of fresh coconut. From there, you extract that rich, creamy milk. And then, the real transformation begins with a slow simmer, just watching as the oil starts to separate and float right to the top.
This step right here, it is everything. As that coconut milk gently boils, all the water evaporates and the milk solids toast up and just fall away. And what you're left with is this absolutely beautiful, crystal clear, amazing smelling liquid. This is the stage that guarantees the oil's total purity. There's nothing left behind but that precious island gold. So you might be wondering, what really separates this traditional oil from the stuff in jars at the store, right? Why would you go through all that effort? Well, it's because the difference in the final product is, well, it's night and day.
Just look at this comparison. It really says it all. Traditional island gold starts with fresh coconut milk, but the commercial oils, they often start with something called copra, which is basically just dried out coconut flesh. That then has to be refined, bleached, even deodorized. That intense processing, sometimes with chemical solvents, just strips away all the good stuff, all those vital nutrients, while the traditional method keeps everything perfectly intact.
And that's the main takeaway, 100%. It's such a simple number, but it means everything. It stands for a product that is completely, totally unadulterated. Nothing added, nothing taken away. Just pure, natural oil, exactly how nature made it. So, when you hear that word unrefined, this is exactly what we're talking about. It's an oil that gets to keep its entire nutritional profile. All those beneficial fatty acids, the vitamins, the antioxidants, they're all still in there, ready to do their amazing work nourishing your skin and hair. Okay, so we've seen the process, we totally get the purity aspect, but now, let's bring it all back to that first question. What does this actually mean for you? How does this pure oil unlock your natural glow?
It's all because the oil is so pure and packed with nutrients. It deeply moisturizes because of all those amazing fatty acids, like lauric acid, which create this protective barrier on your skin to lock in moisture. For your hair, it's an incredible, chemical-free conditioner. It soothes irritation and dryness, and it gives you a shine that isn't just some artificial coating, but a real sign that your hair is deeply healthy.
And at the end of the day, that's the whole philosophy behind this tradition. It's this core belief that the very best solutions, they aren't invented in some lab. They're discovered in nature. The true lasting beauty and health come from pure, natural sources. So now that you know the art behind the gold, it really leaves us all with a question to think about. Knowing the huge difference between a heavily processed product and something this pure, how will you choose to nourish your skin and your hair? It's a pretty powerful choice to make, isn't it?